Okay, let me tell you something interesting. So each of my LinkedIn posts is getting hundreds of comments. You can see here, this got 105 comment. Before that, I made this post and it got almost 1565 comments. Now you may wonder like who has time to reply to all of these comments all the time? Because most of time what I'm doing two things. One is either I do some sort of a giveaway or some value addition to the people and I simply ask them, you can simply comment something like this, vibe over here and I'm going to send you the complete guide, or maybe a little different things here and there, right? So now people are commenting and it's my responsibility to reply to them. But having these many comments, it's almost impossible to reply in real time to each of them like throughout 24/7, right? So what I did, I built two automations just all upon N10. So what I did, I simply maintained all my post list over here into Google Sheet where I have post ID stored. I got the whole last comment, extraction date, time, and so on. Run status like whether this particular post is active for comment replying or not, and what standard text I want to reply on this particular comment, right? Along with this, I maintain the entire comment log over here. So whatever number of comments are getting in from my post, I simply maintain the post ID level comment, like which post ID this comment came on, what is the comment state and time, the actual date time into a familiar format, the author ID, the comment text, like comment can come from like different post and a different language altogether, right? Then comment ID and all along here, whether this comment is already being replied or not. And how this entire system works, you'll see it insanely simple. So I got two N10 automation workflows built. First of all, this one over here, which collect all the comment from my various posts and put them into a Google Sheet, right? So all across multiple posts. Currently I have about 13 posts active and it is getting comments from all of them. The second part is where the reply mechanism works. So this particular one picks comment from the comment log sheet and then it is going to reply all of them currently on a standard basis on a predefined comment reply. But obviously I can make this fully dynamic with the insertion of an AI agent as well. So AI agent can take care of the entire conversation and it can even nurture the lead, or it can talk familiar with that person based upon my training, my data, my tone as well, right? So this is how the whole system works. Let me quickly walk you through what's happening over here. So first of all, as I said, I maintain all of these posts. So first of all, whenever I make any post, I simply go here, put the post ID and the run status as active and active. And then over here, I put the comment and over here, I simply put the comment reply. So what kind of reply I wanted to send to these people. The second part, I simply go here and schedule this automation workflow every 1 hour. So it's going to fetch comments in every 1 single hour from this entire system. Now what it does, first of all, is going to list all the posts which are active from my post master sheet, right? Where I stored all the post data. Then it loop through and then it says this particular LinkedIn module where I establish my connection, simply go here and put that like I want to grab comments, get comment by the post ID, and here I pass the post ID. Max length is 1000 comments. It can be even more than that. And once it is here, I do the whole aggregation of this entire comment data and simply put that into the Google Sheet, right? Straightforward over here. So I'll set append sheet and then these comments get inside the Google Sheet right here. See, this one says post ID, the comment date time, the comment date time into Unix, the author ID, comment text, what comment ID is there where I'm going to reply this, and by default status called pending, and so on. Now all along with this, it also update every time wherever this automation is going to run. For each single post, it will update what is the last time when we extracted comment from this particular post, right? So over here you see it says last extraction date and time. So next time I'm going to do only the incremental pickup. So let's say if one post got 1000 comments, I'm not going to reprocess 1000 all the time. I'll take only the 10 new comments which came, like 1010 comments are there in the next run. I'm going to pick only 10 and then we'll run through them. So that's what the magic is. The second workflow, what it does, it simply go here. Again, this is also supposed to run every single hour, and then see here hours is equal to 1, and then further down I say wherever you find comments are pending reply. See, if I go to the bottom, you will get to see all of these comments are pending to be replied, right? So wherever system finds that these comments are pending to be replied, it pick all of them. It says not sheet 1, actually it's supposed to be the comment log, reply status is equal to pending. And then further down I said like obviously there's supposed to be limit, so LinkedIn API should not hit the limit or some sort of an API issue. So currently it is the limit of 50. Then further down I'll say this particular app which I built on top of LinkedIn, how would I say, the LinkedIn APIs, it says this is my connection, here's the comment, the particular resource type, and the operation is reply to particular comments, and here is the parent comment URL and the reply text. And further down, once it is done, it simply go back and update the status of the comment saying that this comment is already replied and status gets marked as done, right? So this is insanely helpful. Now let me try to show you both of these in the live run. So if I click on execute workflow, let's see what happens. See here, currently it's getting executed and there are total 13 items received from this particular Google Sheet, right, on the real-time basis. I actually run it recently, so it's not going to run through. Okay, one item is there which passed through and one new comment came out right here itself. See, earlier they were approximately, I think 4 comment, now it became total 6. And now if I go here just to run it manually to showcase you how it looks like, see it is getting comment, total 6 item came out, and now it is processing up to 100 seconds of kind of delay to make it genuine, to make it like a human based reply. It's working out. It's going to utilize this module, and then each of these comments will be replied. By the way, let me quickly show you how reply look like. So for example, see here, I asked people to reply agent on this particular post so I can give them the resources. So in this case, this person replied, it says, seems interesting, Manish, would like to take a look at agent and so on. And then it automatically run through. It says, download the tablet from here, which is Manish giveawaycombro.com. And then it's replied, the other person replied, awesome, thanks Manish, we'll take a look into it. Right. So this is how the automation is working and getting all of these things replied without me touching the entire system. And this can be insanely powerful, insanely helpful for you to establish your own lead funnel. So whenever you do any sort of giveaway, it can simply run through the entire system and comments can be replied automatically. There are plenty of more automations around LinkedIn that I'm going to bring very soon. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.